Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to share a best WhatsApp community for IMAT preparation. I want you to watch full video as I'm sharing some tactics or some key concepts about community and IMAT preparation. So first of all, let's talk about IMAT community. This community is named as IMAT Nerd. So basically this community is consist of three groups. The first group is the daily questions group. So in that group you will be receiving daily questions related to IMAT. It will cover all questions, and in the last, or maybe if you are getting questions in morning, then in evening or the next day you will get the key. But in the meantime you can discuss those questions in the second group. Okay, the second group is discussion group where you can discuss any question related to IMAT, or where you can share your questions with other mates, and obviously they will be answering, and that's how this community will be working. Okay, the third group is IMAT notes, where you will be getting notes related to IMAT, specifically handwritten notes written by me, and the other resources related to IMAT. In that group you will be receiving those notes. Okay, this was community. Now let's talk about how this community will be actually working. So the community will be working with the help of yours. Like, you have to answer questions. In discussion groups you have to answer, you have to share and reshare your ambiguities and your problems. Believe me, at this time the technology is very low. You can actually get answer to whatever you need. You can just simply use Google Bard or ChatGPT, totally free tools. You can get the answers. But there is something in discussion. That is my personal experience, and that is the experience of all of the students around the globe. They actually say that when you discuss something you learn a lot. Not only you learn a lot, but you memorize that thing for a longer period of time. Like, when you are doing a quick go through from your text or from your notes, in that preparation or in that go through, only hypothalamus center in your brain is activated, and hypothalamus actually stores short-term memory. So when you are discussing or you are in deep focus mode, your hippocampus is actually activated, and the more information gets to your brain, and the hippocampus is the part that stores memory for a long period of time. So this was the thing that I wanted to discuss. You can actually share wherever you are getting problem, either in bio, either in physics. Actually those will be technical questions. Many questions are very easy or medium level, but there are a lot of questions that are tough, or maybe something that confuses us. You can share them in the community or in the discussion group. You will be getting answers, and when you will be discussing it, believe me, at the time of exam you will feel the difference, what the best role discussion played. But that's the thing, that's my personal observation, and what I have observed or what I have read scientifically or from different YouTubers or coaches. But that was the thing. And the last thing is that just join that community, and the link will be in the video description, and just crack the IMAT. Okay, that was for today, and I hope you would have enjoyed this video. And the next video will be on handwritten notes. I will share my handwritten notes and other resources for IMAT. Actually the best resources that I can actually basically find, I will share with you. So just subscribe to this channel, and see you in next video. Till tata, bye bye.